Hi everyone, welcome back to HowtoFix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix voicemail on iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your voicemail isn't working on your iPhone, you could be missing out some important messages. Here are some few fixes you could try out in order to resolve the issue. The first thing to do is to check for a career setting update. You might be unaware of this, but your career setting sometimes needs updating on your iPhone. In order to do that, tap Open Your Settings button from your iPhone and scroll down to General and give it a tap. From the General tab, tap on About at the top. To view your career settings, you'll be able to see your career settings displayed on the page. If your career is requesting an update, you'll be able to see an option to install a career update. If not, you'll just see your career information. Tap on Update if an update is available for your career settings. Once you do that, the next thing to do is to turn on your cellular service off and on again, or your Wi-Fi off and on again. Simply go toggle off your Wi-Fi button that has been connected on your mobile device, or if you've connected your cellular data, turn off your cellular data as well. Wait for a couple of seconds and now turn on your internet service back again, and soon after you do that, resetting your internet connection might fix some voicemail issues on your iPhone. You can also try turning off your phone and reboot your system back again. Wait for a couple of minutes, and if you received a voicemail, then your problem is solved. The next thing to do is to make sure your call forwarding option is turned off on your iPhone. If you have a call forwarding enabled, it means your calls are being directed to a different number, which means that is the main reason you are not receiving voicemails on your iPhone. In order to disable that, tap Open Settings on your iPhone and scroll down to the Phone tab and give it a tap. Make sure that your call forwarding option is not enabled. If it is, disable it by tapping on the toggle button right next to it. After making all of these changes, if your voicemail still isn't working, then there is a possibility that resetting your network setting will help. To reset your network setting, go and tap Open Your Settings button. Once you do that, from the Settings menu, scroll down to General and tap it on. Scroll all the way down from your General tab and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on the Reset button at the bottom, and now, from the pop-up displayed, tap on Reset Network Settings. Remember that resetting your network settings won't erase any content from your device. Once you make the change, there is a high possibility that you might be able to solve your voicemail not working issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever your voicemail is not working on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.